You guys have seen my 30 plus YouTube videos where I have shown every single trade, every PNL from 10,000 rupees profit per trade to over 1 lakh rupees worth of profit per trade. I have not only shared over 12 lakh worth of profits verified and documented, but also over 2 lakh rupees worth of losses verified and documented. But there was something I never revealed. A secret ingredient, one hidden price action indicator that completely changed my trading game, that leveled it up. That single thing transformed me from a struggling swing trader to a profitable swing trader. Let's unlock that secret today in this video. All you have to do is subscribe this channel and like this video right now. Okay, so here's the plan for this video. सबसे पहले हम लोग 5 trades pick करेंगे. We'll pick 5 trades, 3 winners and 2 losers from my videos only. Then I will showcase those trades one by one. We'll share the hidden price action indicator कि क्या आप मिस कर रहे थे. बहुत सारे लोगों ने वो videos देखे. Thousands and thousands of people watched those videos. But still, जब मैं उसे identify करूंगा hidden price action indicator को, then only you will be able to see that yeah, this is something. And then let's try to understand that in detail. Before we start the video, let me tell you कि ये सारे charts 3 months or older हैं. Some of them are even 1 year old as well. I have used multiple strategies for these 3 winners and I have used different strategies for the 2 losers. So that's the trade right in front of you. I initiated my trade around this zone. On this particular candle, on this breakout right here. Okay, and somewhere around this area was my exit on the supply. Now that is the trade number 2. You guys can see that was my entry, the breakout candle right here. And around this particular area was my exit. Again, this particular trade right here, that's the entry candle for me, and I have exited somewhere around this particular supply zone. This one I have entered on this candle and I took a stop loss in this. This one stock, if you see after this consolidation breakout and overall structuring, I took the stock right here and I exited the stock on the next week's brutal fall candle. I have shared 3 winners and 2 losers here. Now that hidden price action indicator does not mean that if you use it, you will win, and if you do not use it, you will lose. It's not like that. If that hidden indicator is not activated, then I might not take the trade. Although if the indicator is there and I'm taking the trade, it could be a profit and it could be a loss as well. And that's what I'm trying to showcase here. But definitely it will give you an edge over others. Let's begin. First of all, see that the stock has given a consolidation breakout here in the past. That means the stock created a pattern here and consolidated for a really long period of time. Stock ने काफी लंबे समय कंसोलिडेशन दिया, ब्रेकआउट दिया और फिर एक मूवमेंट दिया. Okay, now what I want to see after that is a prolonged period of consolidation yet again in a range. Now that range could be literally from like a 100-day period to a 1,000-day period to a 5,000-day period. Who knows? We need a pattern, then we need a breakout of that pattern, and then we need a movement, a rally on the upside. Only after that we will get a consolidation format right towards the downside. Now once I get that, okay, I will start creating my strategies around the base level of this consolidation pattern, around the base level of this consolidation pattern. I will not wait for the all-time highs breakout or the near-term highs breakout to the high, and then if it gives again a breakout here, I'm not going to enter. That's like a big no for me. Again, if it comes back to the downside and consolidates here, this is like a huge period. Let's see, from this point onwards to this area, that is like a 300 days. So it's good to go. Minimum should be 100, maximum can be anything, 1,000, 2,000 days, 5,000 days, anything. Here if you see, if it would have given a breakout here, that is like a go for me. Now because 100 days is been passed first of all, and we have seen a patterns breakout and a rally and a peak right here and a consolidation after that. Only after that consolidations breakout, I'm going to enter on the next movement. This is the hidden indicator, price action indicator that I wanted to share with all of you. I'll make a list of it. First of all, observe that if the stock in the past has created a pattern on a daily, weekly or monthly time frame, then gives a breakout of that pattern, there is a rally rally tells you sustained breakout, then comes the peak creation, means the top of the pattern, right? And then comes the consolidation on the downside, towards the downside. The consolidation should not be towards the like a horizontal format. It should be towards the downside. Lower lows, lower highs shows you a better consolidation, which leads to a base creation at the bottom areas, and then the breakout at the base will give you a better risk reward opportunity at that area. That is the executional part of this whole process. In this, write this, and we are going to apply this now on the rest of them. Now this was my entry and that was my exit over there. So you can see that the stock was giving solid consolidation at these supply areas, creating a ascending triangle pattern here, right? Then it gives you a breakout and the stock moves towards the higher side. So there is a pattern, there is a breakout, and there is a rally. Okay, and then this right here is like a double top. See, first the stock creates this peak right here. Okay, could have been a peak, then creates a upside momentum again. Many people are trapped here. You might enter, okay, who's watching this video right now. But what I told you, this is not your entry. Okay, you give a big cross here, you wait for the consolidation. You want a peak formation here first of all. So this whole is a peak for you. That's the pattern, that's the breakout, that's the rally for you, and that is the peak of the whole pattern. And then you need a consolidation towards the downside, not the sideways consolidation. You need a consolidation towards the downside. Then you throw a counter trend line, and you can make up multiple strategies. There could be pattern based, could be indicator based, could be EMA based, Fibonacci based. I use multiple of them. I used a combination of them and a lot more things, but we are not here for the strategy. We are here for the hidden indicator. So overall, if you see, when the base is being created, you can see that this is around the base level. That's my base creation right there. Base CR, that is creation. And then we get a breakout around this area. I've entered it, exited this trade right there. Made good 40-50K, I guess, in this particular trade as well. Now, by the way, if you want to see the PNL, if you want to see the trades in detail, I've already showcased in the starting, in the intro of this video, all those videos. Watch all of them, all those 30-40 videos out there, and you will be able to watch the verified PNL along with the whole trade from zero till the end. But here I am sharing the observation, so I'm not going into PNL or the trade breakdowns or anything. Now right here, if you see again, let me showcase that this is the solid consolidation, inverted head and shoulder pattern breakout right here, and then there was a strong rally in the markets for a really long period of time. Now what happened here? A sideways consolidation and a breakout of that consolidation, which was converted to a fake out. So right there, that's the study. This breakout is a fake out. How can you judge that? Because it's in a sideways format. It's giving a horizontal breakout firstly, and the second thing, that after the rally, after the sustained breakout, there is a peak creation. Definitely it went sideways and not towards the downside. Okay, if it is not moving towards the downside, it's not my thing. I will not enter the trade. So right here, if you see, a good breakout for many people, but trapped, and their money is gone here. For me, this is like a peak. Now again, I will leave the trade here, and in future, if it moves up, I will still leave the trade. But if it moves down, that proves my theory that yeah, I was right, and will give me a chance in future that yeah, it could be a better trade, because now this is the peak creation and there is a consolidation on the downside. Finally at the base, this is somewhere around the base area, it gives a breakout right here, and somewhere around these areas exited the trade perfectly. Whatever I'm sharing with all of you is legit, raw, it works. But if someone out there is telling you that if you follow this and this, that you will be winning in every single trade out there, that cannot happen. So this ingredient definitely will give you an edge. This hidden price action indicator will definitely give you the thought process to become a better trader. It's not like a winning holy grail. There is no such thing like that. So I've also come up with some trades where you will see that yeah, there were consolidation breakouts, right? First there is a pattern formation, we can say a double bottom, we can say a consolidation, sideways market breakout, box breakout, and then we right here, that's the breakout, and then there is the rally. That's the peak creation of the market, and then towards the downside, this is the base right here, a good base creation, and then a breakout right here where I entered into this particular trade. Now after entering this particular trade, maybe in a week, it gives me a stop loss. So this hidden indicator, this hidden price action indicator is not directly linked to winning and winning and winning. But if it is not there, that gives me some filtering process that I'm not going to enter that trade at all. So it gives me an overall filter, reduces the noise overall. So right here, if you see, that's the breakout here of this particular consolidation of this whole area, the rally right there. After the rally sustained, you can see that this whole breakout at the top failed yet again, because it's a sideways movement. It's a one side rally and then a sideways movement. Whenever the breakout comes, it is going to be a failure for all of you. So do not go with these type of breakouts. Always follow the peak creation first of all. So peak is only created once the stock gives a breakdown towards the downside. Breakdown means peak has been created, and then you can say that, yeah, whenever the base has been created somewhere around this area, the base creation is done, it gives a breakout, and that is where I entered. Loss can be because of multiple reasons. Could be multi-time frame hindrance, could be hidden line hindrance, could be many more things. Okay, fake breakouts and everything. But the one most important thing that I followed in this trade as well was the hidden price action indicator, which was first follow the pattern, let it break out, let it rally, sustain, let it create a peak. It should be a peak only when there is a lower low, lower high formation breakdowns towards the downside, a pattern formation towards the downside, and then eventually it gives a base formation at the bottom areas, and a breakout of that base formation is where I enter. It is the time where you need to manage your strategy. So whatever your strategy is, apply this with your strategy and a good risk reward management, like a 1:1.5 or 1:2 or above that, because this is swing trading. If it would be intraday trading, I would have said 1:3, 4, 5, 6. That is good. Here 1:1.5, 1:2 is also good because it's swing trading, right? I hope you enjoyed this video. This definitely would give you some edge, and there is a lot of proof and documentation on my channel already. You can watch them one by one. Make sure you have liked this video and subscribe this channel right now. I have shared my Telegram link in the comment section pinned. You guys can follow me on my Telegram for all the updates and all the discussions, all the videos, playlists that I have created. I will be sharing them on my Telegram. We'll see you on the Telegram. You can directly contact me there as well.